Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin today's session. The first question is, who was the first woman to be elected as the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu or K.R. Narayanan? The correct answer is option A, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. In 1953, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit became the first woman to preside over the United Nations General Assembly. Who of the following wrote the book The Interpretation of Dreams? Sigmund Freud, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie or Erwin Schrödinger? The correct answer is option A, Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, authored The Interpretation of Dreams, which explores dream symbolism. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? Article 14, Article 19, Article 21 or Article 32? The correct answer is option A, Article 14. Article 14 provides for equality before the law and equal protection of the laws in India. In terms of geography, what is a fjord? A type of river, a narrow inlet with steep cliffs, a mountain pass or a large lake? The correct answer is option A, a narrow inlet with steep cliffs. Fjords are deep, narrow and elongated sea inlets formed by glacial activity, typically found in Norway. Which Indian ruler was known for issuing the currency called Rupiya, which became a precursor to modern Indian currency? Akbar, Babur, Sher Shah Suri or Aurangzeb? The correct answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri introduced the silver Rupiya, a standardized currency that influenced future Indian currency systems. Who coined the term survival of the fittest, which is often associated with Darwinian evolution? Charles Darwin, Herbert Spencer, Alfred Wallace or Thomas Malthus? The correct answer is option B, Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer, a philosopher, used the term survival of the fittest to describe natural selection as theorized by Darwin. Which battle marked the beginning of British political control over India? Battle of Panipat, Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar or Battle of Seringapatam? The correct answer is option B, Battle of Plassey. The British victory in the Battle of Plassey in 1757 laid the foundation for colonial rule in India. Which Indian dynasty was known for the construction of the famous Ellora and Ajanta caves? Maurya, Gupta, Chalukya or Rashtrakuta? The correct answer is option D, Rashtrakuta. The Rashtrakuta Dynasty patronized the construction of the magnificent rock-cut caves at Ellora. The term soft power in international relations refers to military influence, economic sanctions, cultural influence, or political treaties. The correct answer is option C, cultural influence. Soft power is a country's ability to attract and influence others through culture, values, and policies rather than force. The last question is, the McMahon Line is the boundary between which two countries? India and Pakistan, India and China, India and Nepal, or India and Bangladesh? The correct answer is option B, India and China. The McMahon Line demarcates the border between India and China, particularly in the northeastern region. Now it's time for the practice question. The Copenhagen Accord, aimed at addressing climate change, was signed during which COP, that is Conference of the Parties? COP10, COP15, COP21 or COP26? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.